1-year-old pit bull. Very, very scared dog. One of the most fearful dogs I've seen probably my entire career. She won't eat, she won't drink, she won't use the bathroom outside, number 1 or number 2. She sits there, actually stands about 24 hours. I haven't seen her lay down yet. She just stands, lowers her head, and that is Lexi. Sorry, yeah, I can't remember if I said her name, Lexi. So, let's open up her kennel. Hey Lex. So that is Lexi. Hey everyone, so just hanging out with a few dogs in my garage, and got a couple dogs in for board and trains right now in here, and this is Lexi. Now Lexi is a 1-ish pit bull, and she is here because she recently bit somebody in the face about 3 weeks ago. She's ultimately very insecure, very fearful dog as well. She's got a lot of skin sensitivities and allergies, as you can see. She's got all kinds of issues going on there. We're medicating for that, trying to get her a little bit more comfortable. But ultimately, she's just incredibly insecure. So having said that, I want to show you a little tip moving forward with the e-collar, because this is something that a friend of mine, Duke Ferguson, taught me on how to e-collar condition the dog. Now, e-collar training, if done properly, in my opinion, the dog should not avoid the e-collar. If anything, the dog should anticipate the e-collar, should get excited about the e-collar. If we pair it with food and we make it a positive thing 99.9% of the time, why wouldn't they see it as a positive thing? I do this with all my clients. And so what you're going to do is you basically need to just make a loop out of your e-collar. And this is the first time she's ever had an e-collar on. Now I can barely touch her at this point. She's really come out of her shell because I've had her for 2.5 weeks now. Very different dog compared to what she was 2.5 weeks ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just having some food in my hand, and then I'm going to start by actually putting the collar over her while she's eating. And as you can see, she's pretty hand-shy. Okay, so I'm just going to go a little bit slower. That girl. Good job, kid. All right, so that's going to be step 1. Let me do one more repetition. Gaining a little bit more confidence there. Good job. Hey, look at you. Thank you. For this dog, that's a big deal. Okay. Step 2, after you've done that for, let's say, a few days, you lure her through it, okay? So now I'm not moving my collar, but I am moving my hand. Okay, let's do one more rep. I'll put this through, and she's got to go right through it. There we go. That is how to e-collar condition the dog. You can do this with any dog, but it's usually best for dogs that have not been introduced to the e-collar properly, have a negative association to it, or dogs that have had an invisible fence collar, bar collar, might not have a lot of confidence around it. So I'm going to start e-collar training with her. Thinking another day or two. I'll probably keep conditioning on this for a few more days. Maybe start her Monday morning. And of course, Lexi is one of the dogs that I have in right now for an aggression DVD set that is coming out in September 2015. So check out for that. I'm sure e-collar Technologies will be selling it. We'll be using their product, of course. This is the new Easy Educator, which is one of my favorite e-collars. I use this with a lot of my clients. So I hope you found this video to be beneficial, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. Good girl, Lex. Kiss? No? No kiss? No, you can't taste me. There we go. Have a good one, guys.